Hello, Wilma Sasha here and welcome to the channel. Today I will be pointing out some common mistakes carers do in care homes. 1. Carers do not change their gloves between clients or residents. 2. Carers do not change aprons between clients and residents. 3. A carer using a hoist individually without a second carer. 4. Some carers waking their residents up as early as 4 or 5 a.m. to wash and dress them when the client is fast asleep. 5. Some carers using one flannel to wash more than one resident or using resident clothes as towels. There are more bad practices on the job. Please put a stop to all these bad practices. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Once again, thank you. Hello.